For a pharmaceutical manufacturer, the biggest challenge is to manage production cost, and this in a constantly evolving regulatory environment. All GMP rules now are under revision, mainly in Europe, but also with the other regulatory agencies. And the answer of the manufacturer is to do a very, very professional work, starting with a professional product transfer, with scale-up, and with organizing a continuous optimization process in the best sense of a lifecycle management. This needs experience and special know-how. Very clear message from ISPE is just applying the principle of continuous improvement of the products through their life cycle. It is to install a good life cycle management for products from the very beginning to the very end of their life. We provide the knowledge platform. And we organized the annual conference of 2015 in a way that we have 4 tracks. Track number 1 is quality by design, all questions around product submission and approval process, and concretely, how can product design facilitate later manufacturing process. Track number 2 is around new regulation for marketed products, expectation of inspectors, experiences from audits, and so on and so forth, and how to keep the whole thing in regulatory compliance. Track number 3 is dedicated to facilities of the future, new concepts, modular plants, and single-use technology. And of course, we show also case studies how to manage production costs under the old and the new paradigm. Track number 4 is new, first time in 2015, is dedicated to IT and basically dealing with the question how to deal with big data management, how to distill out of these huge data volumes the right information for compliance, and of course to deal also with the question why is data integrity so important for operations. Sure. We have aging population in the mature markets and we have growing population in the emerging markets. However, we are in a high-risk business. We have economic crisis, we have the impact of political crisis, we have pandemics, and last but not least, natural disasters, which can heavily impact our business. However, we are needed. Oh yeah, we have some very good highlights. The conference starts with a certain kind of pre-conference, so-called executive forum, where we do benchmarking with other branches and where we focus on the question how do other branches integrate quality in their supply chain. This will be a very interesting session with input from food industry and automotive industry. The next highlight is Tuesday morning, the keynote speeches, and the keynote speakers will bridge to the tracks in the afternoon and on Wednesday, and also to site visits, because big pharma of the Rhine-Main area will open the doors for the participants. So, dear colleagues, we are convinced that we have a very interesting program with highlights and with deep knowledge sharing, and I would heartily invite you to come and to join us at the annual conference 2015 in Frankfurt.